There's a blizzard coming home on mission I was told. For my boys lay but he can hardly stand. Listen to that northern sigh. If you don't get home, you'll die. But it's only 7 miles to Marianne. It's only 7 miles to Marianne. You can bet here on her mind, for it's nearly supper time. And I'll bet there's hot biscuits in the pan. Lord, my hands feel like they're froze, and there's a numbness in my toes. But it's only 5 more miles to Marianne. It's only 5 more miles to Marianne. That wind's howling and it seems might like the river stream, and we best be moving faster every time. And just think about the fall, where the haze so soft and warm, for it's only 3 more miles to Marianne. It's only 3 more miles to Marianne. Dan, get up. You want repose? Or you'll be the death of us. I'm so very about you. I'll help you come in. All right, Dan. Perhaps it's best that we stop a while and rest. For it's still 100 yards to Marianne. It's still 100 yards to Marianne. Late at night, the storm is gone, and they found him there at dawn. He didn't make it back. He just couldn't leave old man. Yes, they found him there on the plains, his hands close to the rail. He was just 100 yards from Marianne. He was just 100 yards from Marianne.